morning, dearest teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for all the service you render to our institution, and especially to our beloved students. Thank you for making a difference in the lives of the people here at Mulki. We appreciate your efforts. We recognize your sincerity and sacrifice. May you be blessed with happiness, peace, joy, contentment, and health. God bless you all, my dearest teachers. Have a great Lockdown Teachers' Day 2020.
टीचर की एक आदत होती है भूल जाने की। कभी चश्मा भूल जाते हैं तो कभी घड़ी, कभी भूल जाते हैं दोपहर का खाना, क्लास कब खत्म हो गया यह भी भूल जाते हैं। देर रात को किसी स्टूडेंट ने अचानक फोन किया कुछ पूछने के लिए तो भूल जाते हैं अभी सोने का वक्त है। भूल जाते हैं कब किसको डांटा था, कब किसने उनके क्लास में कौन सी शरारत की थी, किस नाम से बुलाते थे उनको। टीचर भूल जाते हैं किसका क्या धर्म था, छोटा या बड़ा घर था, कौन झोपड़ी में रहता था, कौन महल में। टीचर को बस एक स्टूडेंट याद रहता है सारी जिंदगी। और हम स्टूडेंट्स आपको कभी नहीं भूलते हैं टीचर।
Hakane kajing im hapertai, kajing im ba ai ublay. Ngam don kapor bangan les ngosi, ngam don poru bangan kislay. Ringkat bat pilok, ngakwa banyak men, ngakwa banyak slow bha. Yakala shay ngam te, kaba menin yade. Raymond Kakasi Ngakwa bandon bagi Shot, oh, right Ngakwa bandklen bagi Shot, oh, right Ngakwa malakasi.
Dear Sister Maria, our headmistress, and you, my dear sisters and teachers. Today is your day, and I want you to know that we are proud of you and is glad that you are part of our institution. Thank you for your dedicated and committed service to our students and your wholehearted cooperation to the school management. God bless you all.
Good morning, dear teachers, the light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength. Our teachers, Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work hard every day in order to ensure that the future is bright for all of us. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy and happiness, as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday. Along with being a successful leader in the form of the President of the country, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was also a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers, you are our second parents, and you play a prominent role in influencing and inspiring us. You are really the source of knowledge and wisdom. From you arise the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of us will use to provide back into the society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Thank you.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, आशाएं मिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Teachers, see the good inside me. Take my hand and guide me your way. Teachers, when you see me giving up, teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for all that you have done. Thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hands, so thank you. Thank you.
Alright, baby. Tú me partiste el corazón, Maluma, baby. Pero mi amor no hay problema, no, no. Ahora puedo regalar un pedacito a cada nena, solo un pedacito. Tú me partiste el corazón, ay mi corazón. Pero mi amor no hay problema, no, no. Ahora puedo regalar un pedacito a cada nena, solo un pedacito.
Dear teachers, it is my joy and privilege to wish you a very happy Teachers' Day today. You are precious in the life of each student. Dear teachers, I appreciate your dedication, love, care and concern for each child. May this day be one of the most memorable days of your life. Happy Teachers' Day.
ना कुछ पूछा ना कुछ मांगा, तूने दिल से दिया जो दिया। ना कुछ बोला ना कुछ तोला, मुस्कुरा के दिया जो दिया। तू ही धूप तू ही छाँव तू ही अपना पराया, और कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। कैसी है ये दूरी कैसी मजबूरी, मैंने नजरों से तुझे छू लिया। कभी तेरी खुशबू कभी तेरी बातें, बिन मांगे ये जहां पा लिया। तू ही
Qué calor, qué en la discoteca, qué calor. Llega para la muñeca, por favor. Qué en la discoteca, qué calor. Llega para la muñeca, por favor.
Las mujeres me las como al vapor, en la playa bañado en sudor. Los bikinis te quedan mejor, tú eres mi amor, mol, mol, mol. Cada vez que veo ese booty yo me quedo.
To all my teachers, when alphabets were alien to me, you were there. When my hand shook while writing, you took them to your care. The times when you taught me how to stand in a queue, the manners which I speak today is all because of you. You helped me when the wind blew strong, and the way you punished me when I went wrong. You are the reason why I am me today. So across this day, for me, every moment is a teacher's day. People will leave, but your teachings will stay. To all my teachers who have taught me something on some way, all that I have to say is Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you.
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure. You really care for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, there's a guide me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher.
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। क्या?
A very good morning to everyone. Dear respected teachers, our guiding stars, I wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. I feel it is great pride and honor on this day to thank all our teachers who played a great role in making us what we are. My first thanks goes to our loving and respected headmistress, who is the source of all inspiration, who always guides us, preparing us to face all the challenges in a positive way. Next, my heartfelt thanks goes to all our teachers who are our second parents, who always stand by us, guide us, protect us, and also motivate us. My sincere thanks to all my friends who made a great effort in making this function a successful one. Before ending my speech, I would like to say, dear friends, let us respect our teachers for their sacrifices in making each one of us self-reliant for the future. Happy Teachers' Day once again. Thank you.